Hi, good morning, children. Today we shall move plants around us. So, in previous class we have already discussed about plants. And in plants, types of fruits and a shoot system, and root system, and also leaves. We should already discuss in previous class. Now we should take flowers. So, dear children, all of you see your neighboring places like gardens or agriculture land or your surrounding house area. What are you seeing? So, those are flowers. So many kinds of flowers you have already seen. So, flowers are very attractive and very pleasant smell. Okay, children? So, the flowers, the different kinds of colors and shape and size and also pleasant smell. So, flowers are the most attractive part of any plant. And there are different kinds of flowers of different size, shape and also color. When we think of flowers, bright colors and pleasant smells come to the mind. Okay, so flowers grow from the buds. So before we going to serve the flower, those flowers are like birds. Okay, after the birds, the flowers are growing and the petals are come outside. Okay, that appear at the tips of the stem. They burst open, the petals spread out from the flower. So before we going to serve the flower, those flowers are look like birds. After the birds, the petals are spread out. Okay, look at this picture. Parts of flowers. So in flowers, so many parts are there. So here, receptacle and ovary and sepal, style, stigma and petals. Okay, and after anther and filament. So these are the parts of flower. Okay, so many parts are there. So every flower have these type of parts. Okay, flowers help plants to reproduce more of their kind. So here, first of all, we think every flower should be help for plant reproducing system. Okay, children. So they make new seeds and the process is called the reproduction. What? Reproduction. So the reproduction should be help from the flowers. Okay, any kind of plants, reproduction should be happens in the flower. And petal. So these are the petals. So petals are also very helpful. Petal is the bright and colorful part of a flower. So you have seen already so many flowers. So those flowers petals are very colorful and different colors and also different size and also different shape. Okay, little green leaves that protect flowers bud is called sepals. Okay, so these are the sepals. So these sepals are supporting green color. Sepals are supporting to the petals. Okay, and so stamen. So here stamen is also one of the main part, and also so that is the main part of flower. So it is made up of filament. Made up of filament. So these are the filament. So these filament are helpful to the stamen. So stamen is the main part of any flower. Okay, and filament and anther. So it made up of filament and anther. So here anther and filament. So these are the very helpful for the reproduction. And anther produces pollen grains. Okay, so after that pollen grains, so pistil is the female part. So pistil is the female part. So the children here, so look at the board and carefully. So stamen is the male part of flower and pistil is the female part of the flower. So these are the two important parts reproducing in the plant. Okay, to make the fruit, pollen from one flower is carried to another flower by air, means by wind, by water. Okay, so by small insects, one flower to another flower, one plant flower to another plant flower. So there should be insects and wind and water. So this is the very important part or the reproduction movement. Okay, while feeding off nectar, so those insects, and you can see, you should already, I think you should see the honeybee. So these insects are carrying from the flowers nectar. Okay, nectar and pollen. The insects pollinate the flower. Okay, children. So some flowers are small and white and have a strong scent. They get pollinated at night. At night time, the flowers are pollinated. And the night blooming jasmine, an example. So the jasmine flower is night blooming flower. Okay, and it has very sweet fragrance, a sweet smell, a sweet fragrance, a pleasant smell we should call. Okay, guess what is known about in Hindi? That is your language we should use. Okay, what is the flower's name in other languages, in Kannada, in Hindi, in Telugu, in English? So many names in one flower. In one flower, we should call other names in different languages. In Hindi, in Kannada, in Telugu. Okay. And flowers are very useful and means very attractive to the insects and also us. Okay. We should see our garden, a flower plants. Oh, that garden should be very beautiful because the flower plants are there. Okay, the children. So after that flowers, so we should know about the fruits and seeds. Okay, so these are the important parts of the plant, and also when here reproduction should be happens in any kind of flower, in any plant. Okay, dear children, after the flower, we should see our surrounding area, so many plants like mangoes tree, a coconut tree, and mango tree. Okay, these are all very useful trees, and also they grow themselves, and they are preparing food from the leaves. So that's why we call leaves are the kitchen of plant. Okay, or food factory of the plant of any trees. The trees are also very helpful for us. The trees give us to many kind of fruits, and we use those trees trunks for constructing building, for doors, for chairs, for tables, for furnitures. Okay, so these things we should construct or we should make by the using of the trees trunks. A bamboo tree is there, mango tree is there, banyan tree is there. So these are the many kinds of trees. Okay, children. So in this lesson we should already discuss plants around us. So many plants around us. Okay, I hope all of you understand this lesson. give notes next time. So we should move next lesson.